Hello and welcome to the video. Today we'll be exploring how to add your email to ActiveCampaign. This powerful tool is perfect for managing all your email marketing needs. If you're interested in giving it a try, check the link in the description below to start a free trial, or log in if you're already a user. Let's get started. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're logged in, find the Deals option on the left side of the dashboard. Click on Connected Emails from the drop-down menu. Add new email in the Email Settings section. Click Connect an Email Account. Enter the email address you want to add and make sure it's one you can access, as you'll need to verify it. After verifying your email, return to ActiveCampaign and configure your email settings as needed. You can set up your email signature and adjust other related settings. To ensure everything is set up correctly, send a test email. And that's it. You've successfully added your email to ActiveCampaign, and I'm excited to share a complimentary email list building course with you, available in the description below. Learn how my team and I earned $3,493 in commissions while expanding our email list. This exclusive training is free at the moment, so seize this opportunity to enhance your skills and grow your success. Thank you for watching our video. Your support means the world to us, and we hope you found it enjoyable. Stay tuned for more inspiring content coming soon.